In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a StockX order. So you can cancel a StockX order if the bid has already committed to buy an item. So in order to foster trust in the system and ensure it is reliable, StockX does not allow you to cancel or return an item once a bid has been accepted. So to cancel a bid that is not yet accepted, all you need to do is to go to the StockX.com in a web browser. You can use any web browser on your PC or Mac. After that, all you need to do is to log in the upper right corner, then enter the email address and password associated with your StockX account. After that, click on My Account, which is in the upper right corner of the website, as you can see in the picture. So after that, it's to the left of the Sell button. It's just beside the Sell button. So after that, all you need to do is to click Buying. It's the first button that appears in the menu that appears when you mouse over My Account that displays your purchases. So this is the Buying. After clicking on Buying, all you need to do is to go ahead and click the current tab, it's the first tab at the top of the page, these are all pending bids that you've did. So after that, these are the current bids that you have. And then after going to current, all you need to do is to just go ahead and locate the bid you want to cancel. After locating the bid that you want to cancel, please click the trash can icon next to your bid. And that's it. That's how you cancel a bid on StockX.com.